Right, sadly I couldn't go to those bank places, but here's some more units. Bunch of comfort makers. Soft sound. Energy efficient. These are straight cool air conditioners. Compressors in the sound blanket, and that's my favorite fan blade. This is from 2004. No, 2010. And this is a 36,000 BTU unit. Sound blanket. This is at a place that's closed right now. Comfort maker, soft sound. And then here's an old Carrier. It has one of those Carly compressors, and it's got a suction accumulator. Can't see well in there. See, this old sucker, it's got a suction line dryer. It's from 1996, and it is a 5-ton. Whoa! Fell off there. R410A refrigerant on these units. This one's R22. I already know. Fat suction accumulator. Not suction accumulator, suction dryer. This one's older. This one's from 2009. It's in better condition. And it is a 4-ton, 48,000 BTUs. Yeah, pretty nice units. I really do like these comfort maker units. So I'm definitely gonna snap a picture of this. This is going to be my new profile picture. Like that. And let's see if there's any more units on the side right there. No. Alright. There we go. I'm going to try and film as many units as I can today. There's a crawl space. So I'm going to try and film as many units as I possibly can today. And these are surprisingly short. This one's really short. Maybe this one might be in my profile picture. Yeah. Alright, so yeah. 3 Carrier street cool air conditioners at this building that's closed. Over and out.